What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ, and today I want to let you guys know that you could win a Freebird Flex Series shaving kit right here on my channel. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel. Also follow me on Instagram, EVERYDAYTHANGWITHPJ, and let me know that you just follow me. And I'm gonna pick 50 people, and by the end of January, I'm gonna pick 50 people, or whenever I get 50 people who follow me on Instagram, EVERYDAYTHANGWITHPJ. You follow me, let me know you follow me, let me know you seen my video on YouTube, and you can win this. You can win a Freebird Flex Series shaving kit for free. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to purchase anything. Just follow me on Instagram. Let me know that you follow me. And also visit myfreebird.com and use the discount code EVERYDAYPJ. All right, peace. What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Today we back with another lit video. Back in the restroom, and yeah, you know what that means. We about to shave some head. Now, you know I got a lot of hair. I let it grow out for this one, baby. But this is a special video because we about to review the Freebird Flex Series shaving kit, the 5 blades, okay, versus the Skull Shaver Pitbull Silver, okay. Now we ain't gonna compare prices. I think this one was like $150 versus $79 for the Skull Shaver. I mean, for the Freebird Flex Series kit. You understand what I'm saying? So I got one shaver versus a kit, okay? So I'm gonna go with some basic things about the Skull Shaver and the Pitbull Skull Shaver Silver and the Freebird, okay? As you notice, Freebird design, like kind of like a one driving range, you know what I'm saying? And this one, the Skull Shaver, of course, you know, like a cube, whatever. So if we go to the blades, let's take a look at the blades. You have 5 blades on the Freebird Flex Series. You have 4 blades on the Pitbull, okay? Now, both of these have flexible heads, okay? Both have flexible heads. All right, so on the outer 4 of the Freebird, you have double rows, double blades. Same thing with the Pitbull, but you also have a 5th shaver on the Freebird, okay? So those are the few minor differences between the two. Now I got them both charged up. They both have the same charging port, which is kind of convenient, but this also has grooves for your fingers. So I'm guessing you're supposed to use that. I don't ever use it. I just grip it on the side, you know, whatever. But either way, this one just fits in your palm like that. Pretty simple. It also has a precision trimmer, but I never use that. I mean, come on now. Looking at my hair, now you know that I do have a lot of hair. So I'm gonna cut one side with the Freebird, and I will cut the other side with the Pitbull, okay? But here's the thing. Since I have so much hair, you know, it would be easy to cut it down just a little bit, then shave. Because if you're using the shaver every day, your hair wouldn't get this long. But I grew it out specifically for this video for educational purposes, you know what I'm saying? Just to show y'all. So what the Flex Series kit has, let's open this up. It comes with a nose trimmer, exfoliation brush and massager, 3 guards, and the precision trimmer, okay? So this is what I'm gonna use to knock down this hair, okay? But using this Pitbull Silver, I'm just gonna use it. Like, I'm gonna use it for what it is. This is the video. If you have hair this long and you have this is what you will be using to cut your hair down. So it might take you a few rounds. But we're gonna see how good it is. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. So I'm gonna detach this head, okay? Sit down. over there. And I'm gonna attach the clippers. All right, so I'm gonna go to work with the clippers. I'm gonna cut half my hair, and then I'm gonna go to work with the Pitbull skull shaver and go to work with that. So let's see what it does. All right, get that out the way. All right, so you may be able to see the hair coming off. Real simple. I'm gonna cut straight down the middle. All right, I made a little mess. Nothing I can't clean up, but let me get behind the ear too. All right, so there you have it. Cut half the hair. All right, so we got the other half for the skull shaver, and we're gonna use a Pitbull. And I'm just gonna cut all my hair off because I'm gonna see how much I can get off, because you only get one chance. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's nothing else you can do. You can't cut the hair down, so I might as well go bald with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and, all right. All right, so I think this thing may be full, but it got me looking kind of toe up. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm looking kind of toe up. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it ain't right. And then, you know, this one using the Freebird. I mean, I still haven't shaved yet. I just cut the hair off. So this got me looking crazy. Let's look and see how full this thing is. So the blades, if you can't see in there, the blades are full of hair. So it's not much, I mean, it's full of hair. Like, that's the hair that came off from the from the Freebird. And there's no hair inside this pocket. Like, there's no hair off in there. So it didn't, like, put it where you could just easily clean it. It's stuck all in between the blades, and you can hear the difference. Like, you can hear when you're using these things, and you use it enough, you'll understand the difference of the sound when it's full. And you can tell that it's not cutting the hair anymore, because it just pretty much stopped cutting. It got me all blotchy and everything. So let's go. I'm about to attach the 5-blade rotary from Freebird. Okay, Flex series. See those flexible blades? All right, let's get to it. And since I got clean blades, cause I already cut my hair down using the clippers, precision clippers. It was easy to just go through and cut the hair now. All right. Now, can you tell the difference? That's the Pitbull skull shaver, and that's the Freebird. I mean, it's easy to say I'd rather have the Freebird because it comes with all the accessories. I can shave once, pretty much with my clippers, and I can shave my whole head. So I'm gonna go over the parts that I missed from the skull shaver. And look, I still got room for hair, because you know these things, they fill up with hair. And just like that, I cleaned it up, man. So, I mean, you be the judge. Now, if you keep your hair low all the time, if you keep your hair low all the time, it'll work for you, you know. But like myself, I don't shave every day because I'm at home. So when I do shave, I use, you know, my precision clipper, and then I use the shaver, and then I clean my products and I'm gone. You know what I mean? It's just like that, you know. It really only took about 5 minutes realistically. I could have had this done 5 minutes and been out of here. But for the video, you know, it took a little bit longer. But that's what I'm just saying. Like, I don't recommend if you got a body, it's for like, what is it, $159 or something for this? You also had to buy some clippers too to shave your hair before you use this. So, you know what I'm saying? If you want to spend $200, you know, to cut your hair every day, man, be my guest. But if you want to spend $79.99, get you a Flex Series shaving kit. Comes with the nose trimmers, comes with the 5-blade rotary shaver. I mean, it's a no-brainer. And, you know, do yourself a favor and buy a traveling case. You know what I mean? If you travel like myself, I take this thing everywhere I go so I can shave daily. You know, it's just handy because, you know, when you get on the airplane and people just be throwing your bags all over. So you don't want to just have it all willy-nilly in your bag. So get you a Freebird traveling case with it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, and use the discount code EVERYDAYPJ. Use the discount code EVERYDAYPJ at checkout to save. All right, everyday people, man, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. Holla at you later. Peace.